In this video, we'll show you how to use the AI assistant on Syncee to quickly find and add the best products to your online store. This powerful tool simplifies your search for suitable products, making it easier than ever to grow your business. Start by logging into your Syncee account. Once you're in, you'll notice a star icon next to the search bar. Click on this star icon to open the AI chat assistant. The AI assistant is designed to help you find the perfect products for your online store. You can either type full sentences describing what you're looking for, or simply enter the category or specific product name you're interested in. After entering your query, the AI assistant will direct you to relevant product options. Here, you can start browsing through the selections that match your criteria. The AI assistant takes the guesswork out of product sourcing, connecting you with items from trusted suppliers around the world. When you find a product you like, simply click on the Add to Import List button on the product card. This will assign the product to your import list. To synchronize products with your online store, click on your initials at the top right corner of the page, navigate to the Retailer Center, then go to the Import List menu. If you click on the import list you want to manage, you will access settings of it. If you wish to import products into your online store, simply click on the Sync button.